In the back of the seat.
You're going to get a tap on the shoulder for that one for me. It's not happening.
Not okay.
Nope.
Let me show you what's going on with our calendar here, because we have a stretch of cooler than normal weather behind us. That's indicative of these blue boxes here. But we've got some warm weather to finish January. In fact, we've got 70s, not even just one day of 70s, a string of 70s later on into the week. Rainfall picked up 9/100ths of an inch of rain yesterday. I'm thinking we're going to have much better luck coming in to the middle of this week with the help of a storm system. Big old bowling ball low coming out of Southern California. That is what we need to bump up these rain chances. Those will start at about 70% Wednesday and then grow to 90% heading into Thursday. So both today and tomorrow, there will be a chance of some mist, drizzle, light rain. Nothing that really looks to accumulate too much, and it's going to keep our temperatures down to the 50s, but we get warmer and wetter with this next storm. We'll talk about forecast rainfall totals coming up in your first warning weather.
Thank you, Kristen.
A bit of moisture coming in from the south. Hey, when it comes to this week, two things. One, it will be warmer overall. Two, it's going to be much more active with showers and thunderstorms. So we're kind of flipping the script from winter last week, where we had that snow day on Tuesday, to more of a spring-like kind of feel this week. Now, temperatures this morning are still chilly in the 40s. You want that jacket. Our temperature trend showing most of us down about 5 to 10 degrees. But we look ahead to the afternoon, and you're going to find highs in the mid-50s, cloudy to overcast skies all day, a 10% chance of some drizzle, mist, light rain that doesn't really look to amount to much, and a north-northeast wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Down here at the surface, we've got northerly winds kind of keeping that cool air in place, but up top, we've got winds coming out of the south, and that's actually pulling up moisture, and that's what's causing this kind of damp pattern at times, with the clouds kind of staying put all day. I don't think we're going to see a whole lot in the way of breaks of sun. But every once in a while, you could see a couple raindrops on your windshield, a little bit of mist. If we're lucky, some light rain by evening. We're going to do the same thing tomorrow. Cloudy skies with temperatures in the 50s, and then a few spots of light rain. I've bumped up the rain chance a little bit more for tomorrow just because I think coverage will be better. But over the next 48 hours, we don't look to see anything in the way of heavy rain. Once we get into Wednesday, Thursday, now we're starting to see a little bit more as the storm system comes in from the west. Not only am I confident in coverage, I think most of us will see this rain. I think the rainfall intensity will be a lot more impressive than anything we see today and tomorrow. So here's what it looks like on some of our big picture models. If I hit Wednesday afternoon, you're noticing that's really good coverage that we've got across north and central Texas, but really late Wednesday into Thursday along that cold front. Good lift, good moisture. There's the trigger with the front. I mean, everything that we need to see widespread rain is going to be in place late Wednesday into Thursday. By Thursday night, this storm system will continue to leave us. It's going to be departing to the east. That being said, the severe risk is a 1 out of 5 in dark green for the Austin Metro, 2 out of 5 in the hill country. So late Wednesday, those thunderstorms could get rowdy, and we continue with that severe threat as we get into Thursday. Right now, all severe threats are possible, but we'll continue to fine tune this forecast as that storm gets closer. We also have the risk of seeing some isolated flash flooding. Now, it's been a while since we've seen heavy rain, so I think our ground's going to be able to hold a lot of this, but widespread 1 to 2 inches of rainfall between Wednesday and Thursday is really going to help us out when it comes to our January deficit. We're more than 1.5 inches below where we should be, so I'm hopeful we get what we need out of this storm. 50s today and tomorrow, 60s Wednesday. Look at that, string of 70s to close out the month of January. Sunshine Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Your overnight lows nowhere near freezing. 40s and 50s for the next 6 to 7 nights. Erica?